Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a Sephora haul. I picked up a few things, Sephora and Colourpop. I picked up a few things lately from both places and I'd like to share them. It's a pretty small haul, only a couple things from each place, but I thought I would share them. Hopefully I'll be putting them into a weekly basket at some point. But to introduce myself, my name is Ashley. I love talking about beauty, anything beauty related, and so that's basically what my channel is. I'd love to have you stick around and subscribe. If you like the video or you like these types of videos, please let me know down below, and let's just get started. I'll start with the samples that I got. I did get the samples of the IGK coconut gel. I do love, love, love this gel. So I thought I would try that. And I also got this Dior Dream Skin. I think it's just a lotion. So, and then I did get these two things from Fresh, the soy face cleanser and the Lotus Youth Preserve Cream. This was like that. If you spent so much, you could get some deluxe samples. So I had picked that. And then I did cash in 100 points and got this Kiehl's Midnight Recovery Concentrate. I actually didn't really mean to get this, but I forgot to take it out of my cart. So I actually like anything to do with Kiehl's. Am I saying that right? Kiehl's. I think I'm saying that right. I like anything to do with them. I think they're great. So I got that. Now the products that I actually purchased was, I got two of these Sephora. I've never tried these from Sephora. And I saw in someone's video, Sadie, I'll put her channel below. I can't remember who it is, but I don't want to say her name and say it wrong. But she had mentioned to try the watermelon one, that it was so good, but I got two. And these are the Sephora, I guess, lip balms. You could buy lip balms or lip scrubs. So you have to be very careful because they're all together on the same thing, like whatever you pick. I picked a bunch that I was like, oh, I love this color, this color, this color. And half of them were lip scrubs, not lip balms, and I only wanted lip balms, so I ended up picking these two. So I got the watermelon one, which is a lot like, is this color. Hello. And it's gorgeous. It does not give you any tint at all, but it does smell like, not like strawberry shortcake because that's strawberry, but it's kind of like that, you know, like, you know, those chapsticks you get when you were a kid. It has that kind of that child play makeup smell. But I don't mind it. It's good. I like it. I've used that one already. And then the second one I got is the Goji. I think I'm saying that right. The Goji one. And this one is a little, I should just show you both side by side. So the watermelon one has a little more peach in it, and then obviously the Goji one is a little more pink. Surprisingly, I've only tried the watermelon one. I bet you I will probably like this one better. I just tend to like pinks more so than peaches. So I got those. The next thing I got, which I was so excited to get, is the Clinique, I'm confused. Where does it say? Okay, Clinique Cheek Pop Palette called Cool Down. Let's see if we can get it to zoom. There we go. And it was $29.50, as you can see, and it says it has limited edition shades. So I'm guessing you can't buy them separate. I'm guessing you can't buy any of them separate, or maybe it's just a couple of them. I don't know. So it comes very sparkly. The thing though is these have already peeled off, and I haven't even used this yet. Like when I opened it, I could like rub a few of them off. So that's unfortunate. But there is no mirror, and you get three very nice blush shades. So pretty. Look at that. Oh, so pretty. It gives me more spring vibes, but that's okay. So I will swatch these for you. Very, very pretty. Very pretty. And they're very pastel, which is, again, why I would just assume they were for spring. So the lighter pink, purplish, and then kind of, I mean, I don't want to say it's peach. I mean, it's not peach to me, this one. I mean, it's more of a nude. I don't know. I am so excited to try this on. I just think it is gorgeous. So, I can't wait to use it. But I'm trying to be good and just use what's in my makeup bag right now. But this will be next week for sure, because I want to use them so bad. So that is actually all I got from Sephora. Very small haul. I mean, I still probably spent 40 bucks, but I think those chapsticks are $6, and obviously that was $29.50. So yeah, like 40 bucks, 45. It's kind of like Target. You can't leave Target without spending at least 100 bucks. It's that way with me with Sephora. I can't like spend 5 bucks. Not that anything there is $5, but those chapsticks are only $6. All right, so then I ordered stuff from Colourpop. I guess I will start with my favorite, and it is the I'm a Libra. I just had my birthday. My birthday's the last day of September, and this is the Zodiac Kathleen Lights single color, and this is in the color, and it is in the color Libra. So I was super excited to get this because I love anything with Libra on it. And itty bitty. I have not bought anything like this from Colourpop. It looks just like this, kind of boring, not really what I was expecting, to be quite honest. And you do get a little tiny mirror, which is nice. I'm wondering, and I probably should have done it for the video, but maybe I will when I put this in my makeup basket. I wonder if this is the same color in her Zodiac palette, which I do own, which if it is, that annoys me because I wouldn't have bought it. I don't know. I mean, it's just kind of a plain color. Can you guys see a little bit? But it is a color that I wear a lot. I'm just hoping this won't pull orange on me. I feel like everything lately is pulling so orange on me. And peach. So I'm hoping that will not. But it is, I mean, it is a gorgeous color. But I'm kind of thinking it is the same color in the Libra palette. Because I remember, I love that palette. But I do remember thinking my color was boring for Libra. So I'll use it, but I'm like thrilled. All right, then I really have been wanting to try these sticks. So I've mentioned before that I really like pink blushes, that I finally have decided that I just don't wear or look good in peachy, orangey, coral blushes. So it's very hard to kind of find the right color on, oh, I just noticed you guys can see my mess back there. That's where my kids do their homework. Anyways, oh, and I'm cleaning out my drawer. Look, it's a mess all in here, so just ignore that. Okay, I'm getting sidetracked. It's very hard to figure out what color is what. I do want to say they kind of describe it, and so I made sure this didn't say anything about peach or coral, but the box definitely gives me coral vibes, so I'm hoping that that's just everyone's box. But I got mine in the color Mick Drop. I think that's how you would say it. And I mean, the color definitely looks pink on the top, and this looks peach, so I'm hoping this is just everyone's color, but let's see what color it is. I think these are $8. Yes, it's definitely pink. So I'm very happy. Oh, good. Because I didn't want to have it and then not be able to use it or not really care to use it. But, oh, that's going to be so pretty. I'm so excited. So pretty. I've gotten so much cream blush lately because I know I got one in my Walmart haul that I recently posted. Although I do really want to go back because Revlon has these new blush tints that I really want to try. So I want to go back and try that. And then I also got one of the highlighting sticks, because come on, highlighting. And I got it in Earth. I think that's how you would say that. It's going to be hard to focus. Let me open it. Earth. Yurth, maybe? Yurth? Okay, I can't get it to focus on this, so I'm sorry about that. But it's U-R-T-H. Yurth, Earth. So pretty. I wanted to get kind of a champagne type color. And this definitely, oh, I bet this is gonna be even better than, can you guys see it? Even, it's like right here, even better than the Hourglass sticks. This is gonna be, this I might order more. I love that. And the way it goes on, it almost feels like a powder. Like that was really neat. And then it kind of has just a perfect shot. Ooh, I'm gonna get more of those. All right, I'm actually kind of disappointed in myself because I really wanted to get a palette from Colourpop because I mean, come on. And I didn't get one and I was kind of disappointed in myself because I really wanted one. And I feel like I'm missing something, but I checked, I knew I didn't order one. The last thing I got was, I am not a huge Disney person. I love Disney princess movies. My kids are older, so we never, ever, ever watch them, which is so sad because there's a few that I could literally watch over and over again. And not all princess. Like, I could watch Big Hero 6 over and over and over again. I love the music. I love that one. But besides probably that, is that the only kind of boy one? Yeah, probably that. I can watch that one as many times. And then between Beauty and the Beast, The Little Mermaid, oh my gosh, my favorite one, Moana. I watched Moana last summer because I was, I had gotten out of the hospital and I couldn't leave the house. And so I think I watched it every day of the summer last year. And I loved it. I could probably act it out myself. So, between that and The Greatest Showman last summer, I watched those way too much. Anyways, I got the Belle collection. They had other products that you could get, but this was kind of the only thing that I thought, well, it gives me kind of a little bit of everything. She is so pretty. Isn't she just gorgeous? Oh. She's so pretty. Okay, so it comes with 3 products, which I'm super excited to try. So let me take these out and then I'll show you what they are. See, I don't even have any little girls that would be like, oh, I want the book. They don't care. They probably think I'm being childish. So you get a Super Shock Shadow, which is a satin. Let me pull this up. By the way, this is that sweatshirt that I got in my Walmart haul. And I really like it. I think I'm gonna go back and get a couple more colors. And the extra large fit perfect. Like, it's baggy that I like it. Okay, so it's kind of a pink, like I said, satin color. Ooh, that's pretty. I bet I could use this even as a blush. So pretty. And the nice thing about these shadows is they stain your eyelids so well. I've been buying Colourpop literally since the beginning. I posted a bunch of videos probably in 2014, maybe earlier. That's how long I've been using Colourpop, forever. I don't think that video is up anymore, but I have been using them forever. Anyways, then it came with a lipstick in the color Belle, and this looks so pretty. It's like a really dark nude, which I think is going to be so nice to wear in the, ooh, I'm doing it backwards. I'm right-handed. It'll be so nice to use in the fall and winter. It is like the perfect, not red, not nude, but like you're not boring, but you're not adventurous, you're just there. Which sounds bad. You're not boring, not that nude is boring because I wear nude lipstick like every day, but, which is I guess boring. But you're not like totally out of the box. Like I have this one color of lipstick that I wear. Every time I wear it, I feel embarrassed. And I don't know why, because I feel embarrassed. And then when I go home and I look in the mirror, I'm like, oh, it looks good. But just, it's like kind of a purple color. I mean, it's like a pinky purple and it's beautiful, but it's just so outside my box. Anyways, it's not even about this. So that is the color and I love it. And then the last product in there was this lip gloss, which I've actually never have tried a lipstick or a lip gloss from Colourpop, so this will be new. But it is kind of a red, has a lot of sparkles in it, and yeah, I mean, it's pretty. So we'll see if it's opaque. And it is. It's definitely metallic looking. I mean, it's nice. I will definitely get use out of this. Probably could put it over the color I have on. You just can't judge me if I get it on my teeth. Okay. It's pretty. I like it. I am so excited. I feel like this haul was definitely a good one. I sometimes feel like I get not, I don't know how you guys feel, because I order online with these things and, you know, they come and it's like not as good as you thought it was going to be. I am really happy with everything. Like I said, the Libra color is the only thing that was kind of disappointing, but the fact that it says Libra on it, I like it, and I know I'll use that color. It's just kind of a boring everyday color, but I guess I could never not have one, so it'll just go into my drawer of many single eyeshadows of the same color. But anyways, let me know if you guys have bought any of these products and what you think, or if you'd like me to do a review on it or something. I definitely want to give that Clinique cheek palette a go, since it is fairly new and I haven't seen anyone talk about it. Like I said, it definitely looks more pastel-y. Pastel-y, is that even a word? But it is pretty. It'll be nice in the winter with like the cooler colors. I'm definitely a winter color. Do you guys know what color you are? I'm winter. So I look good in all the like pinks and blues and just like bright colors. So these might look nice, I hope. I don't know. I don't look good in the fall colors. Like, they're just not my skin tone and those don't really mesh, but I'm just going on rambling. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.